Good morning, everyone. Got some visitors. Got Dad and Tammy behind me. We are downtown Manhattan, going to go to the One World Trade Center, and we're going to go to the 9/11 Museum and Memorial. We got tickets, so it is currently 9:10. We had a full morning of figuring out the subway and the train from Long Island, but we made it here. We made it here safely. So now we're gonna go visit. I'm gonna take them to the Oculus. We're gonna find a bathroom and then stand in line, go to Will Call, get our tickets, and it's a beautiful day, nice and sunny. Very, very warm compared to the past couple days. Those are the survivor stairs. Zero idea how much the dogs had done on Ground Zero. It's truly amazing. Very, very appreciative. It's crazy. It's truly amazing how much of an impact 9/11 had on America. But I remember exactly where I was on the day. Foundation wall. I hope and pray nothing like that ever happens again. That's why I joined the military. I was in 2nd grade. Just finished the spelling test, and my 3rd grade teacher runs into the 2nd grade classroom and says, "Turn on the TV." And I just remember my teacher hysterically crying, and then I was on a military base, so the schools were shut down. But most of the places that have like the true artifacts I can't video or record or take pictures in. But it's definitely breathtaking. Definitely very emotional. So we just left the museum. Just outside of the museum is, I want to say this is the South Tower. I believe this is the South Tower fountain, which we saw the other day. But yeah, that museum was very, very impactful. If you are downtown New York, I would totally say this is definitely a must for sure. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I was in 2nd grade. Didn't truly know what's going on, but now that I do, this is one of the main reasons why I joined the military. The other reason is that guy right there, my dad. So it was great. Yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, especially in memoriam of those who lost their lives during the 9/11 terrorist attack and the operations following. And yeah, we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.